Hey guys and gals, Mr. Know-It-All here, and I gotta tell you, I'm so irritated right now, and also I want you to know I'm not being paid to share this video with you or any of these products. This is out of sheer frustration, and I want to save you a bunch of frustration. Over the years, we have tried every garden hose out there, and these things here are a joke. Do not buy them. They don't last more than a couple of years. You might as well buy the good ones, and they're not that much more money. This is a joke. Do you remember this video right here? Well, this is an update on the roof cleaning using our special mixture and pump system. You need to watch that video if you want to clean your shingles. This has been 10 months, I think. Pretty close to it. And the roof looks absolutely beautiful. The mixture is perfect. And it keeps the black mold and algae and moss off of the roof. So I just want to let you know that we like to do updates so you can kind of get an idea if things work or not. All right, guys and gals, here's the hose that will last you for years and years and years, and it's not that much more money. This thing has proven itself to us. It's an amazing hose, and it's flexible. It'll hold 300 PSI, but I'm not here to sell that to you. You can look up Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Thompson. Look it up, read up on it. You'll see that it's an amazing hose. We are so happy that we decided to go with these. They're working awesome, that's all I can say. And it's taken the stress off my shoulders because I get so sick of them blowing off and blowing up, and you set your timer and you come out and the water's just blowing all over the place, because those piece of junk blue hoses and every other one we've tried just blows off. Another bonus that I'm going to tell you, these things right here, they last maybe 3 or 4 years. This thing right here will last you 15 years. It's an amazing little tool, and it's got dual hoses, so you can run 2 off it. It's probably the best hose timer you can use versus these things right here. And when you come out and its timers went off and it's still running and your water bill goes up through the roof, junk. This is the way to go right here. So this video is basically to help you take stress off of your shoulders when it comes to your garden hoses, and this is the time of the year you're using them, and your timers. Hope this helps. Mr. Know-It-All out.